The House witnessed obituary references and discussion on the Governor's address today. The budget estimates 2021 to 2022 will be tabled tomorrow. The 20-day-long 12th session of the 11th Manipur Assembly began yesterday with an address by Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah. According to a provisional calendar of the sitting issued by the Secretary of Manipur Assembly, M. Ramani Devi, the session will have 13 sittings, excluding Saturday, Sunday and holidays. The budget estimates 2021-2022 will be tabled on February 5, followed by general discussion on the budget estimates on February 6. The demands of nearly 50 different departments of the state government will be discussed in the following sittings as per the provisional calendar of the sitting of the Assembly. Former Arunachal Pradesh Minister Rinchin Khandu Khrimei met with Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan of Manipur to discuss the revitalization of support for Tibetan cause through all-party Indian Parliamentarian Forum for Tibet that has kept issue of Tibetans undiminished through all these years. During the meeting in New Delhi, Rinchin Khandu Khrimei also brought up many issues regarding the Chinese government's expansionist policy in Tibet. A group of protesters who have banners and chanted anti-coup slogans in Myanmar's second city of Mandalay today in the first such street protest against this week's army takeover, a media report said. Video on social media showed around 20 people outside Mandalay Medical University. Myanmar's army seized power on February 1, overthrowing popular elected leader Aung San Suu Kyi, who is detained and now faces possible charges for import infringements over the alleged possession of 6 unauthorized walkie-talkies. Myanmar's new military government has blocked access to Facebook as resistance to Monday's school search amid calls for civil disobedience to protest the ousting of the elected civilian government and its leader Aung San Suu Kyi. Facebook is especially popular in Myanmar, and the ousted government had commonly made public announcements on the social media site. As per media reports, internet users said the disruption began late last night. Midday Meal Workers Union has demanded timely payment of honorarium and honorarium height. The honorarium of midday meal workers is only Rs 1,000 per month, and they get honorarium for 10 months in a year. Union President Y. Indrani told a press meet at the Irawat Bhawan Complex, Imphal today. The central government has given focus attention on promoting higher education in the northeastern region, Union Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh told Lok Sabha yesterday. According to reports, Donor Minister Singh said each northeast state has one central university, with Manipur having 3 and Assam having 2. The Union Education Ministry has set up 3 Indian Institutes of Information Technologies in public-private partnership mode in the northeastern region, in addition to the already existing centrally funded higher educational institutions. There are 11 central universities in the region, he mentioned. The United States of America has called for a dialogue with the farmers of India, urging the Indian government to recognize peaceful protests and allow access to the internet, as per a media report. A U.S. State Department spokesperson today said that peaceful protests are a hallmark of any thriving democracy, and note that the Indian Supreme Court has stated the same. India recorded 12,703 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the total caseload to 1.07 crore. The number of active cases in the country has fallen to 1,56,952, according to a media report. Globally, nearly 104.9 million people have been infected by the virus. The country continues to be second most affected globally and ranks 18th among worst hit nations by active cases. Apunba Auto Drivers and Owners Welfare Association, Thoubal District, has drawn the attention of the government and civil society organizations of Manipur towards the price hike of essential commodities. The association organized a meeting today at Thoubal Bazaar to discuss price hike and fare hike. As part of the initiative by High Rock Block Youth Congress Committee HBYCC to provide homes to the underprivileged in just a day, High Rock Block Congress Committee President Thokchom Ranjan Singh today handed over a newly constructed house to Thokchom Ningo Laishram Ongbi Manglembi Devi of High Rock Part 3 Lamlong 4. A primary school at Hailakandi along Assam-Mizoram border was damaged following as many as 2 bomb blasts. Unidentified miscreants triggered explosion at the premises of Muliwala Lower Primary School at Hailakandi in Assam. The twin blasts have severely damaged the school's building as well as the drinking water tank. No casualty or injury has been reported in the incident, according to media reports. Nagaland Chief Minister Naifurio has been appointed as the new chairman of the Northeast Regional Power Committee. Naifurio took over charge as chairman of NERPC yesterday. According to a media report, Naifurio took over charge as chairman of NERPC from Meghalaya Minister James Sangma. NERPC is a committee that looks into various issues relating to power sector in the Northeast.